Gmodism, total nerdery channel. To create a user account, you will right-click the Windows icon and select Settings. You can also search up Settings. Inside Settings, you will go down to the Accounts tab. And inside the Accounts tab, you have the options Family and Other Users. Here, you can easily add an account. We will begin with creating a local normal account. So click I don't have this person's signing information, and then you'll just wait a moment, and then you will click Add a user without a Microsoft account. You can of course add with an existing email and account if you want, but just to create a local account, just click that and you will fill in some information for this user. And make a nice secure password and also some password recovery options. Just fill in the real information here, otherwise you will not be able to recover it using this feature. And then you will just click Next. And there we have it. We added an account. Now if we log out, we can log into this account with the password we have created. You can also change this account to be an administrator account as well, like the account we're using now. But for most cases, you want people to be standard users, otherwise they can do unwanted changes onto your computer. And as I told you before, there are different types of accounts we can add, so we will add another online account instead. So we will click I don't have this person's signing information, and then we'll create a Microsoft account with an email address. So we just click a new email, and I will write in a new email that we will create for this account. And then we will just click Next. Now you will need to create a password that is secure enough. Usually your characters should be 8 in number and consist of small and large letters as well as a number and a symbol. And now we can proceed with inputting the information that we want to use for this account. So I will input a name there, and then we're going to input a region that we want this account to be regioned to. And then we'll just select some birth date and then just click Next. And there we go, the account is now added and we can log into this account. We can also reset this password from a remote location, and we can also log into this and use the Outlook for an email if we want that. Of course, we can also change this account type to admin as well if we want that, but we don't need to do that. So that is how to add accounts. Gmodism. I will show you how to remove user accounts from your computer. Now right-click on the Windows icon and select Settings. Inside Settings, go down to Accounts tab. Inside this Accounts tab, you will now click on Family and Other Users. Select a user that you would like to remove and just click Remove. It's basically as simple as that. This will remove the local data. However, we will not remove that account, but this local account instead. So we will just open it up, click Remove, and delete account and data. Desktop music and pictures and stuff like that is now removed for that account. However, any online content will not be gone. Anything connected to a Microsoft account will still be there. Sometimes there are some files left behind, so what you do is you go to C drive, and then you'll just go to Users. And inside this Users menu, you can delete any existing folders named after that usernames you have already removed, in case they still persist. In any case, hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. This is Gmodism signing out.